Welcome to this video. In this video I would like to show and explain you if all of the batch jobs for important SAP security reports are planned in your SAP system. And to check this, you have to open up the transaction code SM37. Once you've executed this transaction, then you will jump into the simple job selection. Here you have to make sure that your job name is equal to asterisk as well as your username. You have also to select the job status scheduled. And here within the jobs tab, you can enter the different ABAP program names. Depending on your interval, so how often should the report being executed, you can also increase the range if you really want to make sure if they are planned, and maybe you have to adjust the interval. But here within the ABAP program name, you enter the needed SAP security batch job reports. Let's start with a very important report, for example, the SAP PROFC_new. Here right now you don't have any search app. If you really want to make sure that you don't have made any typo, then you can also open up the SA38, so the report execution, or if you have authorization, the SE38, the ABAP editor, or SE80. But for the SE38 and the SE80, you might not have authorization to do. So let's open up the SA38. Here you can type in the program name and then you can execute it, and then you can see if you don't have made any typo, and then you can copy it and paste it in. So as mentioned, here within you enter your ABAP program and then you click on execute, and here you can see no job matches the selection criteria. Okay, this report is not planned as a batch job. If you really want to make sure, increase it to maybe once 1 month in the past. Okay, it's not executed. Then move to another important transaction. It's the RHAUTUPD_new. Once you execute this, then you can open up the report to compare user assignments. So once again, copy this, paste it in the SM37, execute it once again, not scheduled, not planned. So change this immediately. Then let's go to the next report, the PRGN_compress_times. If we execute this, then here we can see that this is working. Here you can basically compress the user assignments for roles. So try if this is planned. Okay, here we can see that this is now scheduled. It has run multiple times, and we can see that the interval is 1 day based on the execution. So 1 is also in release, so this is perfectly fine. And then move over to another report. It's the RSUSR_log_users. Here you basically can check the log for inactive users. And let's do exactly the same for this report. Okay, not planned yet. So we have still a lot to do to check those batch jobs. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.